In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best KLWP Kustom Live Wallpaper Maker apps for Android. If you're looking to customize your home screen with stunning live wallpapers, these apps are perfect for you. Join us as we dive into their features and see how they can transform your device's look and feel. Aura KLWP. Aura KLWP is a highly customizable live wallpaper that offers a sleek and modern aesthetic. It features a variety of themes that showcase vibrant colors and dynamic animations. Users can personalize the wallpaper by adjusting elements such as the background image, clock format, and much more. Aura KLWP makes use of various components like weather updates, battery percentages, and music players, allowing you to create a fully functional home screen. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for both beginners and advanced users to design their ideal wallpaper setup. Futura KLWP. Futura KLWP is another fantastic live wallpaper app known for its futuristic designs. It offers a range of templates that emphasize minimalism and elegance, suitable for users looking for a modern touch. The app allows for extensive customization, enabling you to modify colors, shapes, and layouts as per your preferences. Futura KLWP supports various features like battery information, weather data, and calendar events, making it a practical option to enhance your home screen. With its intuitive editing tools, Futura KLWP appeals to users who appreciate a stylish yet functional interface. Mono KLWP. Mono KLWP focuses on simplicity and monochrome design. This live wallpaper app showcases stunning black and white themes and offers various styles for users who favor a minimalist approach. Mono KLWP provides numerous customization options, including the ability to change text styles, icon sizes, and background elements, allowing you to create a unique look that fits your personal taste. The app is designed to be lightweight while offering all the necessary features for a functional home screen, such as time, date, and weather updates. Mono KLWP is perfect for users who want a clean and sophisticated aesthetic without sacrificing functionality. Thank you for watching our video on the best KLWP apps for Android. We hope these recommendations inspire you to personalize your device with eye-catching live wallpapers. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.